there, welcome back to the Daily House Ideas. I am so glad you stopped by today because we are diving into one of my absolute favorite topics, summer farmhouse decor that feels warm, charming, and timeless all at once. Whether you are just starting your design journey or looking for fresh inspiration, this video is packed with ideas for every single corner of your home. So if you have not subscribed yet, hit that button right now, drop a comment telling me your favorite farmhouse color, and let us get into it. Your home's exterior is the very first story it tells, and in farmhouse design, that story should feel rooted, welcoming, and full of character. Think white or warm cream board and batten siding paired with a classic black front door. That contrast is absolutely iconic. Add window shutters in deep forest green or charcoal to frame your views beautifully. Window boxes overflowing with yellow sunflowers, white petunias, and trailing greenery instantly signal summer. A stone or brick pathway leading up to the porch ties it all together, grounding the facade with natural texture that never goes out of style. The farmhouse porch is where summer truly lives. Start with a classic wooden porch swing hung with thick rope, layered with striped ticking cushions in navy and cream, pure summer perfection. Anchor the space with a pair of rocking chairs in natural or painted whitewood. Add a vintage-style lantern pendant light overhead for those golden evening hours. Potted hydrangeas in galvanized metal buckets add that signature farmhouse charm. A chunky jute doormat with a simple welcome script ties the whole vibe together. This porch is your home's personality before you even open the door. Step inside and let your entryway do the work. A shiplap-clad accent wall in soft white immediately sets the farmhouse tone. Hang a chunky wooden coat rack fitted with black wrought iron hooks, perfect for summer hats, light linen jackets, and woven tote bags. Below, a narrow wooden bench with a lift-top seat hides shoes neatly inside. Add a vintage framed mirror above to bounce light and check your look before heading out. A small key holder in a distressed wood frame keeps mornings organized. Finish with a cotton runner rug in classic black and white stripe, practical and pretty all at once. The farmhouse living room is all about that effortless, collected over time feeling. Start with a neutral linen sofa in warm ivory or oatmeal and layer it with a chunky knit throw and an assortment of textured pillows, burlap, linen, and soft cotton in muted blues, sage green, and cream. A reclaimed wood coffee table with hairpin legs is a gorgeous focal point. Shiplap walls or a whitewashed brick fireplace instantly elevates the space. Open shelving styled with mason jars, trailing greenery, ceramic pitchers, and a few hardcover books creates that curated yet relaxed look that defines modern farmhouse style. The farmhouse dining room should feel like every meal is a celebration. Anchor the space with a thick, solid wood farmhouse table, the kind that looks even better with every scratch and story. Layer a linen table runner in soft sage down the center and style it with a trio of varying height glass vases filled with fresh wildflowers and eucalyptus sprigs. Mason jar candle holders add a warm, intimate glow for evening meals. Mix and match wooden dining chairs with a bench on one side for that casually elegant look. Hang a simple black iron chandelier above. Statement lighting makes all the difference here. Your farmhouse kitchen should feel like the heart of the home, warm, practical, and full of personality. Shaker-style cabinets in soft white or sage green with matte black hardware are the foundation of the look. A farmhouse apron sink in white porcelain is a non-negotiable icon. Your refrigerator, ideally in a panel-ready or retro cream finish, tucks beautifully beside open shelving displaying stacked white dishes and mason jars filled with spices. Keep your stove area clean with subway tile backsplash in white with charcoal grout. Tuck a small, compact coffee machine on the counter beside a wooden tray styled with a small plant and your favorite mug. Morning rituals made beautiful. The farmhouse family room is where real life happens. movie nights, lazy Sundays, board game marathons. Center the room around a flat-screen TV mounted on a shiplap feature wall, framed with simple floating shelves. Style those shelves with a mix of potted greenery, woven baskets, and a few decorative lanterns. Keep seating generous and sink in comfortable. A large sectional in performance fabric works beautifully here. Layer in a large jute rug, a wooden trunk as a coffee table for hidden storage, and a basket filled with cozy throws. This room should look beautiful and feel lived in at the same time. In today's home, a dedicated multifunctional space is absolutely essential. Tuck a small, unique wooden desk with tapered legs into a bay window nook. Natural light is your best productivity tool. Style the desktop simply. A small antique-inspired brass desk clock that doubles as a sculptural accent, a tiny vintage-style radio in cream for background music, and a potted succulent for life and greenery. Opposite this work corner, carve out a reading nook with a linen armchair, a small side table, and a floor lamp in matte black. A built-in bookshelf frames the space perfectly. Functional, charming, and absolutely intentional. A farmhouse bedroom should feel like a retreat from everything. Start with an upholstered linen headboard in soft white or warm oatmeal as your anchor piece. Layer your bed with crisp white cotton sheets, a lightweight quilt in soft blue or sage, and a linen duvet, perfect for warm summer nights. Add a pair of matching nightstands in distressed white wood topped with vintage-style table lamps with linen shades. A reclaimed wood dresser with wicker basket drawer inserts adds texture and storage. Hang sheer white curtains that catch the summer breeze. Finish with a small vase of fresh lavender on the nightstand. Sleep has never looked this beautiful. The farmhouse bathroom is all about clean lines with warm, natural touches. Frame your shower with classic white subway tiles and a simple black matte shower head and fixtures. The contrast is crisp and timeless. Add a teakwood shower mat for warmth and that spa-like feel. At the wastafel or vanity area, a vessel sink in white ceramic atop a wooden console table with open shelving below feels beautifully collected. Choose a round mirror with a thin black or antique brass frame above it. Roll white cotton towels into a galvanized bucket for a charming storage solution. A small potted fern in the corner brings the outdoors in. Who said garages cannot have farmhouse character? Start with a classic carriage-style garage door in white or dark charcoal with black iron hardware. It is an exterior design moment all on its own. Inside, line the walls with open wooden shelving for organized storage of tools, garden supplies, and seasonal items. Use galvanized metal bins and wooden crates labeled with chalk paint for a practical yet charming organizational system. A pegboard painted in a muted color keeps tools visible and accessible. Hang a vintage-style wall clock and a simple chalkboard for notes. Even the most functional spaces can carry that farmhouse spirit with just a few thoughtful choices. Your backyard patio is an extension of your home, and in farmhouse style, it should feel just as intentional as any interior space. Start with large format concrete pavers in a warm gray or beige tone as your foundation. Place a weathered teak or acacia wood dining table at the center and surround it with mixed seating. Some chairs with cushions in outdoor-friendly striped fabrics, perhaps a bench on one side. String Edison bulb lights overhead for that magical summer evening atmosphere. Add a cluster of terracotta pots with herbs, lavender, and trailing vines for a kitchen garden feel. A simple outdoor rug in natural jute or sisal defines the space beautifully. One of the most common questions I get is about color, and farmhouse design has a truly beautiful and approachable palette. Your base should always be soft neutrals. Warm whites, creamy off-whites, and light grays create that airy, breathable foundation. Then layer in muted, nature-inspired tones: sage green, dusty blue, soft terracotta, and warm caramel. Black is your best accent. Use it in hardware, light fixtures, and frames to add graphic definition without harshness. For summer specifically, bring in touches of sunny yellow and fresh white florals. Remember, farmhouse color is never loud. It is calm, layered, and always connected to the natural world around you. Farmhouse accessories are where your personality truly shines through, and the golden rule here is to make every piece feel intentional, not cluttered. Think in collections of 3. A tall, medium, and short item grouped together always look styled. Reach for natural materials: wicker, rattan, reclaimed wood, linen, cotton, and ceramic. Mason jars are incredibly versatile. Use them as vases, candle holders, or even storage. Vintage-inspired pieces like old scales, antique frames, or enamelware pitchers add authentic character. Fresh or dried botanicals, lavender bundles, cotton stems, eucalyptus reeds are quintessential farmhouse summer accents that cost very little but deliver enormous visual impact. Lighting in a farmhouse home should feel as warm and natural as possible, and it truly transforms every single space. For overhead fixtures, look for simple black iron or aged bronze pendant lights, wagon wheel chandeliers, or cage-style Edison bulb fixtures, all deeply rooted in the farmhouse aesthetic. Layer your lighting with table lamps featuring linen drum shades for warm ambient pools of light in living rooms and bedrooms. Sconce lighting in bathrooms and entryways adds a soft architectural detail. For summer especially, lean into candles and string lights outdoors to create that irresistible golden hour glow. Great lighting is not an afterthought. It is the finishing touch that makes everything else shine. Nothing says summer farmhouse quite like the generous use of botanicals throughout your home. The approach here is relaxed and abundant. Think wildflower arrangements rather than perfectly arranged bouquets. Fill mason jars and ceramic pitchers with sunflowers, lavender, chamomile, and sprigs of rosemary pulled fresh from a garden or farmer's market. Trailing pothos and ivy plants on shelves bring life and movement to styled vignettes. A wreath of dried florals on the front door signals the season from the moment guests arrive. Place a simple herb garden on your kitchen windowsill. Basil, thyme, and mint in terracotta pots are functional, fragrant, and undeniably beautiful. Textiles are the secret ingredient that transforms a house into a home, and in farmhouse design, the approach is all about beautiful layering. Start with a foundational rug, jute or sisal for living areas, a soft cotton washable rug for kitchens and bathrooms. Layer throws over sofas and chairs in chunky knit, waffle weave, or soft cotton blanket styles. Choose pillow covers in a mix of patterns. Ticking stripe, simple plaid, and solid linen textures work beautifully together without competing. Linen curtains in soft white or natural ecru filter light elegantly and move gently in a summer breeze. Remember, textiles should feel collected over time, not perfectly matched, but beautifully coordinated. Beautiful farmhouse style does not require an enormous budget. It requires an intentional eye. Repurpose old wooden crates as bookshelves or storage bins. Sand and whitewash an old dresser for an instant farmhouse transformation. Collect glass bottles and mason jars from the dollar store and fill them with wildflowers from your garden. Paint old terracotta pots in muted tones for a cohesive plant collection. Use chalk paint to label wooden or metal containers for a charming kitchen organization system. Frame vintage seed packets or botanical illustrations for affordable farmhouse wall art. Swap out brass or chrome hardware on cabinets for matte black alternatives. It is one of the highest impact, lowest cost upgrades you will ever make. And there you have it, friends. A complete summer farmhouse home tour from the charming facade all the way through to the cozy patio, packed with style tips, furniture ideas, and accessory details that bring that timeless farmhouse warmth to life in every single room. The beauty of farmhouse design is that it always feels like home, warm, honest, collected, and deeply comfortable. I hope this video sparked a dozen ideas for your own space. whether you are starting small with a few new accessories or planning a full room refresh. If you loved this tour, please give this video a big thumbs up, share it with a friend who needs some design inspiration, and make sure you are subscribed to the Daily House Ideas so you never miss a new video. Drop a comment below and tell me, which room was your favorite? I read every single one and I absolutely love hearing from you. Until next time, keep designing the home you love.